मिले के सब कुछ मोरा छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिले के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिले के। पिलाई के प्यार का मीठा रस वो पिलाई के मत वाली कर ली नीर मुझसे नैना मिलाई के क्या से क्या कर दी नीर मुझसे नैना मिलाई के। तेरिया पोटा पोटा पिंजिया पिया हाय पिंजिया जांदा है जिवें रूह वे दिल तेरा काला मुंडिया भावें चन्न तो समखा तेरा मुंह वे दिल तेरा काला मुंडिया भावें चन्न तो समखा तेरा मुंह चलिया पर मैं तो तेरिया
संजोग साडे तेरे नाल वे हसदे हसाउंदे लंघ गया साल वे लिखे सी संजोग साडे तेरे नाल वे हसदे हसाउंदे लंघ गया साल वे धन्नवाद तेरा दिल दे आराधे आवे वांग राणियां ते रखी होइयां सोना ते पतंदरा तू खास होई ना वे गल्लां मिठियां दी पट्टी होइयां।
First of all, I would just like to tell you this was more than a love marriage than an arranged one. When I came to know that I'm going to get married, I thought both of us are too young to get married. But yesterday, when I saw her, I knew she was the only one. She is a good wife, a good caretaker, and finally, she is the perfect one. We both know each other from childhood, that is since 1995, and somewhere both of us knew someday we both are going to get married. After 20, we both were just prepared for getting married. Today, we are very much happy that we are together. As much as I know her, I know she is an ambitious girl from childhood and still she has maintained that ambition. I know she has a decided aim in her life and I know she is going to achieve it someday or the other day. In this journey of her achieving her dreams, I will always be with her, always be supporting her as she is supporting me in all my good times and all my bad times. She is my well-wisher. And lastly, I would just like to complete our whole journey in one sentence. So, here it goes. घर घर खेलने से लेके साथ घर बसाने तक का सफ़र हमने साथ में तय किया है।
छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिले के। पिलाई के प्यार का मीठा रस वो पिलाई के मत वाली कर ली नीर मुझसे नैना मिलाई के क्या से क्या कर दी नीर मुझसे नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे खुसरो निजाम पे जान लुटाई है मुहे अपना लीनी रे मुहे सुहागन की नीर मुझसे नैना।
So I really don't know from where to start. It's really been a very long journey from going school together to playing together to growing up together and now ending up getting married together. It's been a very, very, very long journey. I never thought actually that I would marry Rehan, but that's the most beautiful part of my life. To get married to Rehan was the most beautiful part of my life. Rehan is very understanding, caring, supporting, and I could have never got better partner than him, and I'm very fortunate to marry him. We became friends first, and that friendship turned into love. The friendship that turns into love is the most beautiful feeling in the world. Childhood, we used to fight a lot, and we fight even today, but even that fight shows love. He has always supported my entire life, and he is supporting me even today. He wants to see me as a successful woman, and I will certainly try to fulfill all his dreams. Rehan is very understanding person. I never thought that he would be so understanding. I have no words to explain. He is very caring. He has a very different space in my life. I have realized this very late, but I was always wrong. He was always right. I hate this to say, but he was always right, and he is always right, and I'm always wrong. He always knew that I'm gonna marry him, but I never thought that I would be that lucky to marry him. So I just wanna conclude by saying that I really love you, Rehan. Be same, never change. You are the best person I have ever met.
छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे तुमसे नैना मिलैके नैना मिलैके नैना मिलैके नैना मिलैके नैना मिलैके सब कुछ मोरा छीनी रे तुमसे नैना मिलैके छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिलैके नैना मिलैके नैना मिलैके नैना मिलैके नैना मिलैके
बाजी लागी रे लागी लागी सब कहें लागी 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 सब कहें लागी लगी न अंग लागी तो जब जानिए जब रहे गुरु के संग मौला ओ जी मौला खुसरो रैन सुहाग की खुसरो रैन सुहाग की जो मैं जागी पी के संग खुसरो बाजी प्रेम की खुसरो बाजी प्रेम की जो मैं खेली पी के संग जीत गई तो पिया